Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to ACLW Studio. This is the studio van where I'm just gonna restore it and alright, I'm gonna get to cleaning. Sweet. Right. So the main goal of this whole build bus thing is I was bored and I had money to buy the van, and I'm gonna build it up and make it all nice for like a studio slash I don't know, living Kombi. Yeah. And then soon we'll be taking our first road trip down to the coast. Will be either myself or someone joining me, and yeah, that should be pretty sick. But for now, I'm just prepping the Kombi for paint and new interior design there. Yeah, I was gonna go for a baby blue, but now, as you see over here, the color is now like a green, so I'm gonna make it a alloy green. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I think that's gonna be pretty good. Nice color, and yeah. Oh yeah, so might get the carburetor. We did that yesterday. Might get the carburetor today or tomorrow. Yeah. And then once all that is done, we're gonna sort out that thing there and the dashboard, the fuse box, and yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and